Hello, my dear friends. Welcome my channels. I'm Engineer Noruzi. I want to description for PCB 12,000 BTU for Hisense in air conditioner. We have here PCB 8 unit and the in unit for air conditioner Hisense. I want to test this PCB in this test. I used the compressor and the motor fan and the multimeter for showing voltage in the UVW for output for compressor from the PCB unit 8 unit. First of all, I do use a component in PCB in unit panel and the 8 unit condenser. And then I use a compressor for a component UVW between 8 unit PCB with a compressor, and the multimeter use it for showing a voltage for UVW before start compressor, and then after the starting the compressor for working. I use it AC 220 voltage for testing. PCB is on and switch PCB auditor. We have using cooling mode in the test. PCB is working. We have a 15 volt voltage on the UVW. The fan motor PCB in unit working. In this PCB air conditioner inverter Hisense 12,000 BTUs. Now compressor is starting. You're showing you see multimeter voltage 150 voltage for legs W with Figner, and for the current on the PCB.